Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make LED flasher using 555Timer IC, 47 UF capacitor, 33K ohms resistor, 1K ohms resistor, LED, jumper wires and breadboard. First, fix 555Timer IC on the breadboard. Then connect pin 2 with pin 6 and pin 4 with pin 8 using jumper wires. Now connect the negative pin of capacitor with pin 1 and the positive pin of capacitor with pin 2 of 555Timer IC. After that, connect pin 2 and pin 3 of 555Timer IC using 33K ohms resistor. And at last, connect the positive pin of LED with pin 4 and the negative pin of LED with pin 3 of 555Timer IC using 1K ohms resistor. Now let's test it by connecting 12 volt power supply. Please like, share and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.